cooking time. Now I will put now this also garlics. And then this, what you call this, piece. Or for a while I will put this one. Just saute this onions and garlic. Now put now this piece. I add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and chili powder. Then I put now also this potatoes and carrots. I make rice flour, vegetable rice flour. Now we'll put now enough water for 1 kilogram of rice. We have to wait this one become boiled, then we'll put this rice. So water is boiling. Now we'll put now this soup basmati rice. I soak this rice in 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Now we'll put now this plau masala, this one, but only half packet I make because I put already turmeric powder and chili powder. Plau masala. Until become this water finish, then it will become finish this rice. So luto na itong aking what you call this, vegetable plau na may peas, carrots at saka potatoes. Ayan. And then I cook also chicken curry with potatoes. Ayan, so ready na ang aming dinner until tomorrow lunch. Because morning time, we always eat breakfast, chapatis or paratha with tea. So, mother plau, they call it here mother plau. Mother means peas. So, or vegetables plau. Alhamdulillah for our foods for today. But I will make also chapati for my husband Fahad. And my langga, special son. But for me, rice. And this is similar to Chinese rice or biryani. But I use another kind of masala, yung plau masala. So this is vegetable plau. So we are ready now to eat for our dinner. But first, I will make chapati first for my husband and for langga. Butter plau with carrots and potatoes. Where is potatoes here? Yeah, this one potatoes. This is Pakistani dish. Ito yung natira kasi kami lang ni Fatma ang kumain. Si Langga, kumain lang siya ng konti. Kasi kumain si Langga ng chapati with yung chicken curry at saka sila kay si Fahad. So marami pa ito. Hanggang bukas pa ito ng lunch and then hanggang dinner pa ito. Ayan, kasi 1 kilogram yung aking niloto. Masarap siya. May parang Chinese rice ba, pero yung ginamit ko ay masala. Kasi kung gawin kong Chinese rice, meron pang iba na ingredients na ano na ihalo, yung flake chicken, tapos scrambled eggs. Kaya lang di ko na hinaluan. Bali ito ay ano, vegetables biryani or vegetable pulaw. Ito yung bali ano, ang tawag nila dito, yung rice, chicken, vegetable pulaw. Parang ano, biryani din. Kasi masala yung aking ano, ginamit, yung pulaw masala. So ito pa yung ano, yung chicken curry, yan. Marami pa din ito, hanggang bukas din ito ng ano, lunch, and then meron pang ano, pang dinner din. Ayan, marami oh. So iba na naman ang lulutuin ko ngayon, ewan ko bukas, iba na naman recipe na lulutuin ko bukas. Bahala na kung ano yung ano maisipan kong maluto na available. Kasi meron akong available na cauliflower, yung maro, yung tawag nila dito, yung zucchini. Zucchini ba yon? So, done our dinner, alhamdulillah.